I recently learned a great expression. Gosh, I wish I would have learned this expression years ago. You don't have to show up to every argument you're invited to. Gosh, again, I wish I would have known this a long time ago. What does this mean? It means that every time someone invites you to have some kind of discussion with them, that doesn't mean that you have to participate. Now, as a lawyer, I always think that I can get into a conversation with someone, I'm going to out-logic them, or I'm going to be able to persuade them to see things my way. Yes, I'm a medical malpractice lawyer, and welcome to my YouTube channel. But what I realized was that that didn't always happen. And I had a lot of unhealthy and frustrating communications with people because I thought that I had to show up to every argument that I've been invited to. I spent so many years doing things the wrong way. So I wanted to do these videos for you because I don't want you to waste the same kind of time that I did. So I want to be able to give you some options on how to deal with various communication situations so that you can have more healthy interactions. So what do you do in a situation where someone has invited you to an argument? Well, the first thing is stop. You don't have to make a decision right then and there whether to engage with someone in that discussion right then and there. Take time and think about it. Reflect, use what's called your discernment. Have you ever had interactions with this person before? Have you ever witnessed interactions that somebody else has had with this person? And when you think about how did that go, the second thing you can do is you can talk to a friend, and maybe that friend has some insight. Maybe that friend has had interactions with this person and can give you insight as to how that conversation went with them. They may also tell you things about their personality, which may cause you to say, you know what, I'm not really going to engage in this person because it's going to be a losing battle. But many times we just decide that we have to go into this argument, or we think that we can handle ourselves. Sometimes we come up with what I call a professional fighter. This is someone who's had many conversations with many people. You're not the first, and they're more professional at it than you. And if you think you can persuade them, or you think you can get them to see it your way, you're probably going to be mistaken. You're going to be frustrated. And worst of all, you may say things in that conversation that you live to regret. And the crazy thing is that when a person like that gets you talking, they can turn the tables on you. And even though the conversation was one where you were in the right and they were in the wrong, by you talking so much, they're able to turn the tables on you. And you feel bad about being involved in a conversation that maybe you shouldn't have been involved with in the first place. So this tip again is you don't have to show up to every argument you're invited to. I hope you found this information useful. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. That way you can take advantage of all of my YouTube videos. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon.